Hello, How To Bob here, and I made this video to show you a little trick that I do with my pipe fitting brushes once they get a little old. You can see this one's very well worn down here, won't fit in the pipe very tight. Same with the other side. See how loose it is? Not really going to do any good for cleaning out copper pipes. So here's a little trick that I found works wonderfully. I removed the two screws on either side of my fitting brush, and once I get both of the screws removed from my fitting brush, it will pry apart. Just pull the two parts to separate, and then I can take it all the way apart, and you'll see there's two brushes, one on either side, one for the 1/2 inch, and the little loop on there goes through the screw, and there's one for the 3/4 inch. Just pull that off. And what I found works very, very well is to chuck the brush into a drill. Once I get it chucked in there, you'll see it wobbles a little bit. That can be bent over to make it go straight, but then it works beautifully for cleaning out the interior of some copper fittings. This is so much easier than using it by hand, and it will work with an old brush that's worn down. Works great. I know they sell these meant to go in the drill, but I already had this fitting brush and I can continue to use it at this point. Next, what I'll do is put my fitting brush back together, and I can use this to clean off the exterior of some 1/2 inch pipes or 3/4 pipes. So there you have it. I'm How To Bob. Thanks for watching.